Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare GNC vs ascites protein, which is better. Follow the steps to evaluate taste, mixability, ingredient lists, and price per serving so you can decide which fits your routine. I'll describe typical macros, highlight common additives, and note quality markers like third-party testing and protein source. Stay tuned for practical tips on choosing by goals and budget. Let's examine what's inside each tub and why it matters for results and value. I'll point out key proteins, sweeteners, and stabilizers, and explain how isolate versus concentrate affects recovery and digestion. You'll learn which ingredients add real benefit and which are marketing fluff, plus tips to read labels quickly at the store. This helps you choose the protein that supports your training and dietary needs. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if it's helping you decide between proteins. Quick recommendation. I keep my car smelling fresh with Little Tree's black ice because workouts and shakes can be messy, and a pleasant car makes errands nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals on that product and related items, then grab a glass of water, and now let's get back to the video. Taste and texture often decide whether you stick with a protein long-term, so I'll share what to expect from popular GNC and ascites flavors and how they mix in water or milk. We'll consider price per serving, serving size, and any bundled deals that change value. I'll also offer simple recipe ideas for improving flavor and texture if a favorite powder needs a little boost.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.